Hi, this is an AI-generated avatar representing Dequan Xu from SAP Cloud ERP and SCM Product Success Enablement Team. Today I'd like to show you two selected innovations in service in SAP Cloud ERP 2602. The first innovation is non-chargeable service orders. It is difficult to track the non-chargeable services like warranty repairs, rework, and goodwill jobs. These services have hidden impacts on true cost and profitability of your service contracts. With non-chargeable service orders, you can capture non-billable work in one integrated flow. You can mark any service items as non-billable. These items never go to billing or revenue, but their costs will be posted and tracked. The result: finance sees all in contract profitability. Operations see total technician workload for accurate capacity planning. Quality teams spot repeat failures and the cost of poor quality. Account managers enter renewals with clear evidence of goodwill effort, avoiding unnecessary discounts. With non-chargeable services, you can perform annual maintenance entitlements and goodwill scenarios with automated checks that replace spreadsheets and reduce errors. The second innovation is add and transfer customer notes to service invoices. When customers receive a repair invoice, they want everything in one place: what was fixed, how it's billed, and any special instructions, so there's no back and forth. You can now add and transfer customer notes to service invoices. Now, billing-related notes captured during the repair process flow automatically from start to finish. New text note types are available in in-house repair, repair quotation, repair order, repair confirmation, and the billing document request. Through the complete workflow, the customer's billing notes and instructions are printed directly on the final invoice. The result: invoices that speak for themselves, fewer clarification calls, fewer errors, and a smoother billing experience for your customers and your team. For more details, check out the blog post linked below and visit the community to connect with our experts. Thank you for your time. If you have enjoyed this product update, feel free to share it with your community.